Within the factory's 5G network, new technological capabilities such as network slicing, closed loops, and edge cloud computing will pave the way for Industry 4.0. Cameras can automatically check the quality of inbound goods, and data is exchanged between multiple micro-networks. These edge clouds can monitor and manage factory equipment with remarkable speed and accuracy. If AGVs navigating the factory floor encounter obstacles, they can warn other mobile devices. Each edge cloud can reliably detect equipment malfunctions and rapidly identify ways to resolve the problem. During a repair, the edge cloud temporarily transfers production tasks to a neighboring robot cell, keeping disruptions to a minimum. "5G will also take human-machine interaction to a new level. For instance, it can give workers access to augmented reality for maintenance and troubleshooting. A remote expert can provide instructions directly via an AR headset.